Oh, well, welcome back to Need for Speed. We're on part number 2. So I'm gonna fix my brightness again. I smashed my nice, beautiful camouflage car that I built up. I like the car a lot. Now let's just have some fun exploring the city. Looks like there's a grocery store there. Oh, look at that guy's going so fast. Oh, testing out our drifting skills. Let's have some fun in this game. Boy, we're going fast. To 107. I love how this game looks. Send a cop so far. Play the scene any tonight. That mood up there though. Oh shit. Guess we can't purchase nitrous yet. She up you. The scratch just gets paid a little bit. There you go. Just what we wanted. I'd like to get some cops and some action. You all want the action, don't you? Oh, who's gonna crash? Oh, I thought that he's gonna crash into him. Smooth move. Nice little screenshot there. Oh, look at that good drift going on there. You guys probably want to see some missions. Alright, we're gonna do some missions since you guys want that, I'm sure. And I just realized that I had the light on the whole time. I'm so sorry. Alright, let's start this event. Burning it in. With Amy. Alright, let's do this. I feel like my car has a lot of good control. Alright. Do a little bit of a sprint race here. Not always, it's never a good start when you start off with a crash. Oh, yes, we're going. 2 out of 19, let's go. I do love this game a lot though. They don't make many videos on it. I do like Rivals a lot, but I feel like every Need for Speed is pretty fun. Been playing Most Wanted a lot too lately. Oh shit, that's gonna slow us down quite a bit. Oh, we're in second. I can't go any faster. I don't even know where Amy's at. Is she already here or what? I don't know. How fast are we going? She's gonna stop me. We are on a roll. Leveled up to level 7. What is it going to do? Oh, there she is, up there. We gotta catch up. Catching up like the Patriots. She's so damn fast. I think we may have just caught up with her, guys. So look how fast she's going. Oh, we're getting really close. Checkpoint number 11. There's Amy. There's her car. Because this is mostly a straight race, not really turning. First place. Let's go. Not gonna let it catch up, I hope. Checkpoint number 15. And we gotta get her butt going again. Before she takes the lead. Nice little drift there. Oh no. No, we can't let her kick the lead. No. She's turning on the jets. And look at her just turn up the speed. Well done by Amy. And we lose. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys next time. Later.